you are sitting on a pile of credit card points, there are deals to Europe in business class for only 50,000 miles. Whenever I post deals like this, the biggest problem people have is they can't seem to find availability to actually book these flight deals. So here's how you can do it step by step. These deals are operated by United, but you're actually not going to book it through the United website because we want to take advantage of the 20% transfer bonus from Chase to Air Canada. This basically means when you transfer 1,000 points to Air Canada, they're going to give you 200 for free, so the amount of points you actually need to book it is less than what's listed on their website. Even if you don't have Chase points, this is useful if you have Capital One, Amex, or Citi points, because you can also use this trick to book United flights on the Air Canada website, since United's not a direct transfer partner with those types of points. Step number 1 is going to the United website, and we're going to search one way. I just chose Chicago to Brussels, picked August and business class. Make sure you have book with miles and flexible dates selected. Now we're searching on the United website, but that's not actually where we're going to book it. We're just using this as a search tool. So our goal here is to book a United flight on the Air Canada website. To be able to find that type of award space, you have to find something called Saver Award Availability. There are 2 things you need to look for on the United website to find this. It's probably going to prompt you to log in, and make sure you do not log into your MileagePlus account. Because we selected flexible dates, it's going to give us this calendar view, and when you scroll down, it's going to show the details for whatever date you have selected here. So if you're booking an economy ticket, United's going to tell you if it's a Saver Award fare. We can see this is a Lufthansa operated flight. This is available on United to book, or you could go to another airline in the alliance like Air Canada to book this, because it's a Saver Award fare, which means it's a seat class X. As opposed to this one, you can see it's a seat class YN. So between these two, we would be able to find this seat on a partner like Air Canada, but not this one. So to utilize the calendar view, we're going to filter on number of stops here, and we want to only focus on nonstop, because we know the route we're searching for is operated nonstop by United. And remember, we're looking for business class here. Usually whatever dates say lowest oftentimes have a Saver Award availability. So the one we're selected on right now does not say that, and the booking class for this business class seat is JN, which is not what we want. But if we click on the day before and we scroll down, we can see it's Polaris Business Class I. This is what we're looking for. So for economy, you want to look for the booking class X, and business class, you want to look for booking class I. So now if we pop over to the Air Canada website, we're going to do our same search, and we want to make sure we click on book with points. Chicago to Brussels, August 13th is the date we found the Saver availability for business class, and let's search. So now we can see this same flight operated by United at 6 p.m. The business class price here is 70,000 miles. That's before any sort of transfer bonus. So if you're using Chase points, it's going to be less than this, but you could also book this using Capital One, Amex points as well for the listed price. Which if we go back, we can see United's charging 80,000 miles. If you are using Chase points, you're going to do 70,000 divided by 1.2, and that's how many points you would actually need to transfer. So you would round that up to 59,000 points. You would transfer from Chase to Air Canada to book this business class flight. So if you're trying to book a flight with any of these airlines in the Star Alliance, you can use the United calendar to find award availability. For example, flying ANA to Japan is a very coveted trip, but award availability can be super hard, so you can use this United calendar to find ANA flights and then go and actually book it on the ANA website with your Amex points for a much better deal than what United would charge. Another sweet spot is with Capital One or Citi miles, flying to Hawaii on Turkish Airlines for only 10,000 miles. To find that award space, again, you can use that United calendar. That was a longer video than normal, but I hope that gave you a step-by-step walkthrough of how you can actually do that yourself. Let me know if there's any more tutorials that you think would be helpful, and make sure you're following along for more travel tips.